car won't start? Yeah. It's trying to tell you something faced with tears of joy. And no, it's not being lazy like you. You turn the key, nothing. You press the button, still nothing. Your car just sitting there like, not today. Maybe it's the battery. Your battery might be weaker than your phone at 1%. Or the starter is acting up. Basically saying, I quit. Or you left the lights on, again. Nice job draining everything. But instead of fixing it, you try the classic move. Turn it off, turn it back on. Like magic. Spoiler, it's not your Wi-Fi. Your car is not broken for fun. It's asking for help. Check the basics first. Battery, fuel, and connections. Because if you ignore it, next time it won't even pretend to start. Hit subscribe and don't miss what's coming next.